this is a very, very important breaking news that many of you, of course, many of you have not heard about this, but it is real. JAMB exam will no longer start on 25th. It's supposed to start on 25th, but JAMB has brought it closer. The JAMB exam has been shifted from 25th of April and have brought it closer to 24th, just a day different. I'm telling you so that you will be aware and not be taken by surprise, okay? Now, look at the statement that JAMB released today. All is set for the 2025 Unified Tertiary Matriculation Examination, UTME, to commence on April 24th. I want you to go write this down, that exam is no longer on 25th. It is now commencing on 24th. This means that if you have been preparing and reading, you need to do more. You need to double your effort because there is no more time. They have brought it closer. It's like they are in a hurry to start the exam. So the date was rescheduled, okay, to commence on April 24th, following the rescheduling of the previous date of April 25th. The date was rescheduled to accommodate essential commitments by the board and its partner agencies. Do you understand? So I want you to make your effort, keep focusing on past question and answer, read, get your syllabus, read with your syllabus, double your effort. By now, I've kept saying that you should be revising. Start revising, because there is no longer time. The date was scheduled to accommodate essential commitments by the board and its agencies. This was contained in a statement signed by JAMB's Public Communications Officer, Fabian Benjamin. Do you understand? So get yourself ready, go and print your slip. If you have not printed your JAMB slip, ask me in the comment section and I will guide you, because the reprinting of the JAMB slip has just started. Do you want me to give you all the expo questions, all the videos we've done on your subject? You can ask me, just mention them and I could give them to you. And if you also want me to give you the JAMB past question free of charge, JAMB syllabus, just become a member of our channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel, just subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video and share this video. Once you do these things, come under the comment and tell me I have subscribed, and I can share with you all other materials that will be beneficial to you. There is a very important video on the screen. Click on it and watch now.